Hi, hello guys. Hello guys, and welcome to the introductory session of Android Study Jam. I am Khan Zakiraman, GDSC lead of AIKTC, and also your facilitator for this campaign. Yeah, you guys have been waiting for a long time. So let's begin with the session. Okay. So first, let's talk about that what this campaign is and what it is all about. So Android Study Jam are month-long campaign with the aim to kickstart your career in Android development. So, it's same like 30 days of cloud wherein you learn about the cloud in quick lab. So unlike there where there was having you will have restriction about time limit that you have to complete this lab within this hour, and you were only having five chances to complete it. So here there is no such kind of limit. Here you will be learning Android development by creating your own app and by completing the code labs. So same like our 30 days of cloud where you have to complete each and every quiz. Here you have to complete each and every lab, and after completing the lab you will get a badge, and that badge you will that badge will be showcased on your developer profile. So what developer profile is now? So developer profile is some type of a profile that is given by Google. So whenever you complete any kind of certification course or any kind of course from Google, you get a badge. And guys, that badge is not like a normal badge. That badge has an equal value of quick lab. Like if you go for any kind of interview for cloud, so over there they will ask you about your quick lab ID. So they they can get to know that yeah, you guys know something about cloud. Same if you go in any kind of interview of Android development, if you showcase them your Android certificate or your developer profile, so from the developer profile they can verify that yeah, this guy know or this man or person know about the Android development. Okay. Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. So here you will get badges on completing lab. So over here you will be learning and practicing the concept like the basic of Kotlin, navigations, layout, how to connect API with your app, and many more else. Okay, so throughout this campaign we will guys will teach you many things. And believe me, I know many of you didn't understand a single thing in 30 days of cloud. Like yeah, I know many of our participants are from second year, so you guys didn't get some kind of concept like what was the virtual machine and all. But over here this is kind of a simple one. It's not as that tough as 30 days of cloud. Okay, so next let's talk about what is the career or what is under development scope in 2021. Okay, so the first thing that is important about the Android is that in the Android app you can integrate your AI and machine learning. So as we all know that artificial intelligence and machine learning are two evolving technology, and that contribute in building intelligent and faster and self-reliant product. Like we all use Siri, like if you guys have iPhone, Siri or Google Assistant and Alexa. And you guys have noticed that all these things are integrated in a mobile. So how they are integrated? They are integrated via mobile app. So also if you are kind of Snapchat guy, so you guys have might saw that there is a face recognition filter in Snapchat. You can in Google Photo, if you guys have see that it will verify if you have just did a face like our Google Photo has face recognition. So in short, the all the topic is that in today 2021 most of the app has AI and machine learning integrated. So yeah, so this is kind of one scope that you can integrate AI and machine learning in your app. The second scope is that the Android has huge device market share. So unlike iPhone, Android has been a kind of real huge market. And we all know that many of us have Android devices. And you know what, Android devices does not only mean your mobile phone. Today nowadays Android is being powered in your what we say your wearables, like your smart watches, in our TV, in e-readers, and our what we say that yeah, Google lenses. So if you don't know that Google has started to promote the Google lens, so over there it is powered by Android. And the fundamental way of programming are Android devices, and those devices are similarly same, like they are somewhat same, or let's say they're 90% same. So if you are writing a app for Wear OS, it's same as you write your app for your Android device. Okay. And the second one is the rising job. Oh, I'm sorry. So the second thing is rising job opportunity in multiple sector. So as we all know that our Android market is growing rapidly, and the job opportunity for the Android developer are also increasing. So if you take Android development as your career, then you can easily get a good salary package. Okay, compared to web developer, Android developers or in short mobile developers has kind of good package. Okay, and in Android professional, you can work mainly that what I mean to say is that the Android developer they work under many job description. Like for example, you are specialized in mobile development, you are good in mobile, yeah, like once you learn under development you can work in multiple sectors, like let's say mobile architecture, mobile application developer, or Android developer, or Android engineer, and many more. Okay, so yeah, you are kind of flexible, and also you can just do work from your home. That's like what we programmer do. And the second thing, the fourth thing is, I'm sorry, not second, the fourth thing is the freedom. So a career in Android development give you all the flexibility and ability to work from anywhere you want. Android developer does not necessarily have to do 9 to 5 job. Unlike all other job, you don't have to do any a typical 9 to 5 job. Once you are in industry, you can either choose to work for the company, or you can just do freelancing. As you know that nowadays freelancing is getting a good scope, so you can also do freelancing in Android development, and or you can work remotely and many more things other than. And the fifth thing is that Android development is easy to learn. So what I mean to say is that after Google, announced Kotlin has its fundamental language for Android development, believe me, Android development using Kotlin is, really 90% faster than doing it in Java. So in Java, if I want to do some task, like for example, let's say if in Java I have to create, on click button. If I click on a button and some kind of function has to be done. So in Java, that same thing will be done in 50 lines, whereas in Kotlin it will done in 10 lines. So it's kind of like Kotlin is much easier than our Java. And the seventh thing is that, well, let me count. Yes, and the sixth thing is that it is easier to enter in market. What I mean is that to build the app, all you need to do is to register yourself as a developer, create your APK, that is Android package kit, and submit it to the Android mobile application developer platform. This process, much simpler and easier than iOS device. In iOS platform, what you have to do is that once you create your iOS app now, you have to then publish it into the Apple Store, in which there is more and complex, like kind of. I've not done the iOS app. I've not, because I don't have any kind of Mac web. But I have heard from my friend that publishing your app on Apple Store is much more complex than compared to our Google Play Store. In Google Play Store, just develop your app, and within one day, your app is deployed on Play Store. And the last thing is numerous online courses. As you all know that Android, or what we say, the Android development is being in industry. It's been in industry for like kind of like more than decade. So there are huge number of courses on YouTube, Coursera, or Udemy. So if you want to learn about Android development, also Google are keeping the study jam like this, wherein all the facilitator will teach you. So we can see that the Android development has numerous amount of course. Okay, so you don't have to worry about कि भाई यार कहाँ से सीखूं मैं Android कहाँ से सीखूं. There are numerous online courses available. Okay, all you need to do is you need to find a best course, and you need to devote your time to study it. Okay, so next we will talk about career as Android developer. So as you can see on the screen that the average salary of an Android developer is 5 lakh per year. And this is, I did the research on the glassdoor.com. So here, as you can see that in last, it is stored on the last line. You will get you will get to know about Glassdoor. Okay, so this is a average salary of fresher Android developer. Once you become good, or once you become expert in Android developer, na, your salary can hit up to 12 lakh per year. So for fresher, it is 5 lakh. And once you get an experience of about, let's say, 5 to 6 years, na, your salary can be, अच्छे से 15 lakh से your salary will start, and up to it can go till 20 lakh. So within 15 lakh to 20 lakh, under this range, your salary will lie if you are good in Android. Okay, and yeah, and also we know that Android is being booming very large. You can see that nowadays many companies are creating their Android app, so you can get a good package. Okay, all it depend upon is your skill. Okay, how जैसे तुम्हारी skill होगी वैसे तुम्हारा package होगा. Okay, so next thing, let's talk about what you will get in this campaign. So unlike 30 days of cloud, here you will not get any kind of swag. Here what you will get is that you will get a certificate of completion. So once you complete all the lab, you will get a certificate, and also you will get that. So you can see that in middle, this is how your certificate will look like, and around there is a badge that you will get. These are some sample badges from last year of Android Study Jam, because we took Android Study Jam last year also, and many students completed it, and they have their Android Study Jam. So if you are new to Android Study Jam, I will teach you how to make developer profile. But if you have already enrolled in last year Android Study Jam, and you have completed some amount of lab, I will I will suggest you to create a new developer profile and get badges using that developer profile. Why? Because we need to verify that किस बंदे ने क्या किया ना. So for that we need to verify your Android Study Jam badge. And yeah, about swags, you will get swag via just looking for any kind of sponsor we can get, so that we can provide your sponsor, we can provide your swag. So yeah, we are trying from our end very hard to get you guys swags. Okay, so now I will teach you guys how to create a developer profile. So for developer profile, just go in your any Chrome tab. Let me come here. Um, is it visible? What is it visible? Yeah, it is visible. So what you write in here now, you write developer profile. Right, developer profile, and on the first link, that is developer.google.com. Okay, so let me share it in the chat box. And yeah, so I have shared the link. On this link, just go in the Google developer profile. Once you reach now in Google developer profile, let me choose my another account, because this account already has more than 56 badges. And believe me guys, this developer profile has a value. Okay, it is not something useless. This developer profile has a value. So if you link your developer profile in your resume or in your portfolio now, it has a value. So okay, so if once you come in this page now, just click on this button, create a profile. Okay, once you have created, just fill all the field like your name, your city. So let me write, I am a developer at nothing, pronoun, he, him, city and town, Bombay. Let me write my name. Okay. And yeah, you can, of course, edit the profile. So yeah, and then click on next. Okay, and then after you click on next, just choose what you're interested in. So I am interested in cloud design, open source, web, and mobile. Yeah, so these are all my interested fields. You can choose your own. Okay, and then click on next. And after this, if you want to get the newsletter subscription from them, just click on checkbox. If you don't want to, you just uncheck it. I usually use to uncheck, because I don't want unnecessary emails. And yeah, and then finish it. So once you finish it now, it will take some time to create a profile. I don't know why I take too much time. Yeah. So once you created a profile, now you will get your name, your developer, and your first batch. So your first batch would be create a Google developer profile. Okay. So yeah, and now you can see that over here it is showing me private, right? So now how to make it public now? So over here, go in settings. Once you click on setting, choose click on account, the second what we say, the second navbar or taskbar. Just click on it and change your profile privacy setting from private to public. Okay, so once you set to public, you can also set your custom web address. So like for example, if you have any kind of domain, you can enter it here. Like usually we don't have domains because it kind of costly, but I don't have domain. So after that, after making a profile public, click on save button. Okay, so once your profile has been saved, you can see that if I come back to my dashboard, so click on dashboard over here. No, sorry, not dashboard. I'm sorry. Click on my profile. Click on my profile. So here you can see that now it has been changed from public to private, and now you can share your profile with anyone. Okay, so yeah, so if you guys have set your public developer profile to public, like if you done all the steps, just type in chat box that done, so that I can get to know that yeah, you guys are with me. Done. Okay. That's good, Shaker. If sorry if I spell your name wrong. Okay, Yash done, Simran done, Ahide done, sorry, Pratisha, I'm sorry. Farhat done, Abhishek done, Engineer YT. Wow, nice name. Aman done. Yeah. So how many participants we have? Yeah, we have 49 out of 49. That's it. 3, 6, 10. Okay, Arshad done. So yeah, so most of you guys done. Okay, and now you might be telling that ki bhai kyun bana tune developer profile. So we will send you another form wherein you have to share your developer profile so that we can keep track of how many people have complete how many badges. Okay, so kind of how in at our Android series, I'm sorry, in 30 days of cloud we have dashboard. We will have the same dashboard this time also, but yeah, it will take us some time to create that kind of dashboard. But yeah, okay, so this has been done. Let me close the tab and return to here. Okay, yeah. So we are over here. So next is we will talk about the Android Association Certificate. So what is Android Association Certificate? Okay, man. Right. Oh my taskbar. Yeah. So now what is Android Association Certificate? So Android Association Certificate is a certificate exam by Google. And after you complete this and to complete this program, you need to first learn about Android Basic. And that Android Basic concept will be taught you, you will learn that Android Basic concept within this Android study jam. So if you completed this Android study jam, you are then, eligible for Android Association Certificate. So for that, first you need to study and prepare. Then you need to take the exam, and then there will be a small exit interview by Google. Once you clear that interview, now you will get your certification. And this exam costs around $125, so it's not free. This annual association certificate is not free. They will only teach you for free, but they will charge you for the certificate. Okay, so we will give you the certificate of completing the Android basic like completion of Android basic. But if you want to go more higher, then you can complete this under association certification. Okay, and then now let's talk about कि यार इसका advantage क्या है. मैं इतना about $25 rupees क्यों दूँ? So the first thing is that you get a tag as an associate under developer by Google. So अगर तुम लोग ने कोर्स में कोई कोर्स कंप्लीट भी किया रहेगा तो उसका सर्टिफिकेट का इतना वैल्यू नहीं है जितना वैल्यू इस एंड्रॉइड एसोसिएशन का है. सॉरी, I can't spell that word. And second thing is that you can just share it in your resume or in your social media platform or anywhere along with the badge that you will get. So you will get this similar badge like this badge with the star. You will get similar badge on your developer profile. Second, that you will get your chances of hiring as an Android developer will increase. You will get a huge chance. अगर तुम लोग कहीं resume में डाले कि या I am an Android associate certificate, your chances of getting hired are more. The third thing, you get more salary. Obviously, you have cleared the exam by Google, so of course you will have a higher salary. The second thing is that you can get more client, and they may pay you a large amount for developing or enhancing their app. So obviously, now, if you completed this certificate program, it means that you have good knowledge, so you can also enhance the program. You will be uh, you will be recognized as more authenticated and a developer over developer with no certificate. Same thing, Goma Firaki, you have more value. And you can also get chance to participate in Summit for under developer. Yeah. So this is a very good thing. So the Summit is that. So once you become a Android associated certificate now, so this JDSC or what we say, the Google Developer Clubs, JDC, what we say, they take a summit every year. So after completing this app, you can get a chance to show yourself or represent yourself in that summit, and you will also get paid for that. Okay, it's not free. You like it's not open source. You will get paid by Google. Okay, so yeah, so that's it about the Android Association Certificate. So I would like to end this introductory session with "Arise, awake, and don't stop until the goal is reached." This is by a famous man. Everybody knows Swami Vivekananda. So if you guys have any doubt, and yeah, we will share you the link that where you have to complete the all these badges. So okay, so let me share it. Let me, yeah. So we will share this link in WhatsApp. So don't worry, but let me show you the overview of how it will look like. So this is where you guys will be completing your Android basis in Kotlin. Okay, so this is all the unit that you have to complete it. As you can see that this is are the earnable batches that you will get after completing each unit. So the first unit have 4 batches, the second unit had third batches, and same like all, and total we have 16 badges. Okay, total on you will get a 16 badges, and we will shortly release a video about how to download Android Study Jam in your PC. And a small announcement, like in 3rd or 4th December we will have a Kotlin basic lecture. So it will be a lecture of around 3 to 2 days. We have not let me check it in my diary how many days it is. So yeah, so we have lectures from 4th December to 7th December, and we have kept the time flexibility. Okay, so the timing will be from 5 to 6:30. This is not confirmed until now, but Oppo per se, this all date has been selected. So over there we will teach you about basic of coding, that is our first unit. So be ready guys for the lectures. Okay, and yeah, it will cost $25. No, no, not $25, $125. So if I just go, this also they have shown the link of this course will help to prepare you for associate Android developer. So if I click on this link, here you can see the same thing, exam content. Here they have not shown about the fees, exam content, FAQ. Yeah, how will the expand? So it will cost $149. I'm sorry, not 125, 149 US dollars. Okay, not Canadian dollars. So yeah, and okay. So if you guys have any doubt, you can ask me.